it.
That's what I'm talking about.
Wait.
Okay, now, from the beginning.
What's up everybody, it's your boy Hugh here from Creator Up. What you just watched is a fun side project I'm working on for Children's Hospital about WonderCon and cosplay in VR180. Again, you will not see the same impact if you are not watching this with your VR headset right here. So put it on and watch it again. The biggest thing you should pay close attention is how smooth the slow motion feature of the brand new Insta360 EVO is capable of. The first part is 4K 50 frames per second with 50% slowdown without twister or any other special effect plugins. The second part is even crazier. We slow down all the way to 35% in 3K 100 frames per second to really create that Harley Quinn hit. Yes, the video quality is not award-winning because of 3K resolution, and I have to upscale back to 4K to match the 4K 50 frames per second version. But the smooth slowdown is totally worth it. I think for a $400 consumer camera, having 100 frames per second really unlocks the creativity for content creators who want to push the creative boundary of VR180. I hope with this release, I can see more creative use of slow motion in virtual reality for you, my viewers. I'm sure you guys are way more creative and can come up with something truly push the VR industry forward, and I cannot wait to see what you can create. Comment below and show me and our Creator Up VR community your slow motion VR 180 videos, and let me know if you have any technical question. I will break down more VR 180 speed ramping techniques, Twixtor tutorial in VR 180 for the professional camera like the Z-Cam K1 Pro, and much more. So put your learning cap on, smash that like and subscribe button, and I will see you in my next VR 180 tutorial.